Hello everyone, and today is another outdoor prepping day. So these are rafters. Is that what those are? Rafters, right? And somebody took my letters that say China shipping off of my China container. However, they were on there so long, it still says China shipping, just in unfaded paint. And this is Sam cutting my rafters. And I just want to show you what we picked up. So we got these containers for water storage. Are you sure they had food in them other than just saying food? Because this,
yeah, they had
glycerol. Because this one says natural oleochemicals.
the sweetener.
Oh, refined glycerin. I see. So he picked up 4 of those, and I want them in the greenhouse, but I think they're just going to be for basic water conservation storage type thing. And are these mine or yours? No. They're either mine or yours. I'm just taking 2. Okay, 50-50, I'm taking 2. I'll take 3. That's 50-50. That's, I failed math class. So anyway, that's what we're doing, and we got Son over here helping put the rafters up so they can go up. Go ahead, you want to cut a board? We really like this saw. I don't know if I ever told you. We bought one of these saws at Harbor Freight, and the first time he used it, a piece went flying, and what bent on the saw? That plate bent. What's it called? Can you not speak today?
It's like a back brace.
The back brace.
Back stop, whatever you want to call
Bent. Why did it bend?
it. Because it was cheap Chinese.
Okay, just because it was cheap stuff. So we took it back, and normally they only want to replace things, and Sam told them, nope, I'm not. This is dangerous. It's going to kill somebody. You're lucky, we're not filing a lawsuit because somebody's dead already. But so then we went to Home Depot and got this and have never looked back. It's amazing. It's, what is this called? A compound miter saw?
Yeah.
Yay. 10-inch compound miter saw. And didn't we get this big part free? Wasn't this part free when you buy the saw?
No, I think we got it. It was $1.99. We got it for $99.
Oh, okay. It was an additional $99. And if you ever have to invest in tools, the best time to do that is sometimes before Christmas, but most of the time, if you want to make a tool investment, you want to go to those stores about a month, maybe 2 months before Father's Day. And the reason I say 2 months before is because they get those in early, they put them out, and people bulk buy them to sell them on Amazon and eBay. So that's the best time to buy tools, is right before Father's Day.